Hi, my name is Holly. Thank you for joining me here at my channel, The Morning Pour. Of course, it doesn't really matter what time of the day it is, and it's always morning somewhere, pretty much. So anyway, whatever time it is that you're joining me here, it's awesome to have you. Consider subscribing and hanging around and clicking the bell so that you know of upcoming posts. In this episode, my pour is utilizing a color palette in the ocean theme. I love the colors of the ocean. Let me know in the comments below if you also love this color palette and what it is that you love about it. For me, it reminds me of the beautiful ocean, tropical oceans with the beautiful coloring. What does it remind you of? Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. So that's what my paint pour is going to be. Are you going to do a painting today? If so, what's your plan? What's on your mind? Let me know that also. So that's going to be my painting pour today. Additionally, I have my pour of choice right here. What's your pour of choice today? Let me know. There's a lot of things I'm interested in hearing from you. Let's get on with this pour painting. Not pour like as in, oh you poor thing, but P-O-U-R, painting in the video. That's coming right up. Yes, this Nicole brand painting is from AC Moore, or it was from AC Moore. Additionally, this folk art enamel color, and it's because of this enamel color that I get the results that I get in this painting. I did not have Deco Art satin enamels. I just didn't have it. But look at the results I get in the footage ahead. So yes, I'm tilting very slowly. In fact, I have sped up this footage quite a bit, and it still looks pretty slow, doesn't it? This is because I greatly was striving to control the paint for the best possible outcome. It's always important to tilt slowly and with care so that you are in control of the paint. So as you can see in this painting how it's going, I'm not really very happy with the outcome of the first pour. So I'm going to be adding more paint in just a minute. So here's where we go from straight pour to ring pour. what I love about this painting is that I end up with a combination of both pours still on the canvas. I've had many paintings that I have done before this and after where I've had to pour on more paint. I wasn't happy with the first pour, but what typically happens, at least in my experience, is that there's a differentiation between the two pours and it never really quite looks like they blend that well, at least for me. In this case, it ends up working out really well, where you have parts of the first pour that extend out into the corners, and then the new pour takes up the rest of the space, and it looks like it was one cohesive painting. I absolutely love how the cells in this painting turn out. I love the lines. I love the soft transitions of the colors. I love so much about this. Let me know if you feel the same way. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I really love to hear what people think and what their perspective is, don't I? All right, thank you for sharing them. I'm very happy with the results of this painting, and if you haven't given this a thumbs up already, please go ahead and do that now.